In this video, I want to explain how to use the copy setting wizard as shown here. So to get there, I go to the Home or SolidWorks Resources tab. Then I come down to Copy Setting Wizard. I'm going to select it. The Copy Setting Wizard is for when you get a new computer. So you've set up this computer the way you like it, and you would like all these settings to come with you to the new computer. This is going to allow you to bring them over. So once you click on Copy Setting Wizard, this window will open up. And first, I'm getting ready to move to a new computer, so I want to say Save My Settings. So I'm going to say Next. I'm going to turn on all the checkboxes for whatever settings I want to come through. And then I'm going to point to where I want this file saved, and I'm going to say Finish. And it's going to say, are you sure? And I'm going to go, yep, I want to save them to that location. So then I can put that on a memory stick, load it on my new computer. When I'm ready to set up my new computer and I want all those settings, I'm going to go to the Copy Settings Wizard on my new computer. Again, this window will open up, and this time I want to say Restore, and then Next, and tell it what I'm restoring and browse to where the file is. Say Next. You may or may not want to create a backup, and then I can say Finish, and I've updated this computer so it has all my favorites saved and settings the way I would like them.